Hello, my name is Trevor Tegder. I'm a Senior Technical Support Engineer with Quest. In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to the On-Demand Migration for Email Dashboard, or ODME for short. Some of the items we will cover include how to identify the account logged into the ODME portal, how to identify the company name that was registered in ODME, also known as your ODME account name, using the information menu to find additional resources, accessing migration reports, creating and managing migration plans, and remigrating users. I've already logged into the ODME portal. Here in the dashboard, you'll notice that in the upper right is the account name that you're currently logged in as. Here just to the left is the company name that was registered when the ODME account was created. When creating a service request with support, it's important to provide the ODME company name so that we can find your account. To the left of the company name is the information menu. Here you will find Help, which will take you to the online ODME technical documentation, such as the user guide and release notes. Support will take you to the ODME knowledge base. Community will take you to the Quest community forums. Account will let you see license details and will also allow you to add additional users to your ODME account in order for them to perform migrations as well. Video tutorials will take you to additional ODME videos. Suggestions is an email form to provide feedback directly to the product team for suggestions on improving or enhancing ODME. About provides ODME version information, the location of the ODME data center you're currently using, and the IP addresses in that data center that ODME is currently using. Please keep in mind that these IP addresses do change from time to time. Here in the main dashboard pane, you can see the number of mailboxes currently migrating and the number of ODME licenses you have remaining. Use the New Plan button to create a new migration plan. The Reports Dashboard button will take you to various reports including Executive Summary, Migration Summary, Billing Summary showing licenses used for a given time frame. Audit Log is where you can go to find detailed migration logs for past migrations, migration details, and per mailbox statistics. Back to the main dashboard, there's also an All Plans report. This shows the migration status for all plans and all users exported to a CSV file. In ODME, migration plans represent a batch of mailboxes that you plan to migrate together simultaneously. Depending on the design of your migration, you may want to create multiple migration plans based on mailboxes that will be migrating on the same date or by grouping mailboxes together by business unit. Pre-created migration plans can be started directly from within the ODME dashboard by clicking the Start Migration button. You can also click the Manage Migration link to jump to the last step in the migration wizard where you can also start the migration. Note, you can also find the IP addresses that ODME is currently using in your selected data center here as well. For various reasons, not all users are going to migrate successfully on their first attempt. In this plan, you'll notice that there's a single interrupted user. ODME provides a couple of easy options to handle this situation. The first option includes the ability to copy an existing migration plan that is not currently running. You can select the options to keep the current source and target connection settings and only select those users that are interrupted. After the ODME dashboard refreshes, you will see your new migration plan. The second option involves going into the original migration plan and clicking the Manage Migration link. Here, you can go ahead and check the user who did not migrate successfully and choose to restart the selected user. As a related side note, your ODME license includes 10 successful migrations for each mailbox. So if you have a migration plan with 100 users and only 2 fail to migrate, it may be best to either copy these 2 users to a new plan and remigrate them, or select just those 2 users from remigration within the existing plan. Otherwise, if you restart the entire migration with 100 users, 98 of those users will be using their second successful migration. You can also rename and delete plans in order to organize your ODME dashboard. When you delete a migration plan, the historic migration logs are still available for the users migrated in that plan. To learn more about on-demand migration for email, visit support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us on Twitter @QuestExperts.